Hey everyone, as you saw on my last shorts, this is a 4.8 out of 99 Silverado. We are gonna clean it up, paint it, cam it, power adders, rebuild maintenance on it. It's gonna go to a 68 C10 later this year. But first, we gotta take all of this off and then separate the transmission. That way I can get it nice and neat, put on an engine stand. And everything's gonna go into these totes so we can be better organized, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna get some of this off. I'll be back. All right, guys, as you can see, the engine's no longer here. We did leave a little bit of mess, which I'm gonna clean up. Later on, I'm gonna use that space for something else. And as you can see, the exhaust is right there. Surprisingly, I didn't have a bolt brake on me on this one. On the last two engines I did, but this one I didn't. And I'll show you, I think, a theory of why. We have the engine back here, and this is my theory. All this made it easier. But as you can see, it's in a poor state where I need to clean it thoroughly. Unfortunately, at this shop, we don't have running water. So I'm just gonna have to take a little bit slower approach on cleaning it, but we'll get it cleaned up. And that'll be it for this one. And the next video, I'll show you a little bit of the progress on the cleaning.